If you know about the secret that I am going to talk about, then by the end of this video, you will know how to get rich. Welcome back to my channel where I discuss ways to make money online, personal finance, and more. Today, you'll discover how to get rich faster than you ever imagined. So let's get started. There are various sections throughout the video which talks about important things that you must know, so do not skip the video. Section 1. Taking risks and making decisions. Life is a series of moments that define who we become. Every single decision, whether big or small, has the potential to change your entire trajectory. The key is not to shy away from risks, but to seize the opportunities that come your way. To do this, you need to figure out exactly what you want to do. Make decisions only if you know where you want to be in your life. If you want extraordinary money, you cannot work and do ordinary things. The traditional system equals normal jobs, and normal jobs equal normal money. Imagine this. An opportunity presents itself, and you're standing at a crossroads. Will you let fear and uncertainty hold you back? Or will you take the leap and embrace the chance to create an extraordinary life? Remember, fortune favors the bold. Close your eyes for a moment and visualize those faces you encounter every day on the train, the bus, or any public transport. Notice the sadness and frustration etched on their faces. They are the result of unfulfilled dreams and the consequences of settling for a life they never truly desired. Personally, I cannot stand the thought of living that depressing life scenario, working a 9-to-5 job for the rest of my life, worrying about bills and facing problems like frustration and lack of money and time freedom. I refuse to settle for a normal life. I am here to make an impact and do something extraordinary, and I will do it no matter what. I believe nobody should settle for that depressing normal life. But the main problem is that most people just follow the path they are told to walk without ever thinking and questioning themselves. Ask yourself, are you making your own decisions or are they being made for you? Are you purposefully, knowingly, and consciously taking action, or are you just following the crowd? So if you want a normal life like those people you notice in public, find a normal job. But if you want something bigger, something extraordinary, you cannot follow a normal path. You cannot function in a traditional 9-to-5 job. You need to be more than normal, more than average, more than just ordinary. You need to be extraordinary to make an extraordinary amount of money. And that's the secret number 1. Start thinking for yourself. Think big, think good. Section 2. Choosing non-traditional money-making paths. Instead of focusing on traditional money-making paths like 9-to-5 jobs, start thinking about non-traditional paths like making money online, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and more. These paths have the potential to bring extraordinary wealth. Imagine driving a luxury car like a Rolls-Royce Phantom, the luxury it offers, the satisfaction that comes with it. Everyone looks at you. You are finally at a level where you are called a successful person. But the reality is 99% of people will never get to feel this feeling. Why? Because they lack the courage to put in extraordinary efforts. I will reveal the secret to making that kind of effort, and for that you need to do a little thinking activity. Make a list of what you do throughout the day and think about whether each activity is the result of your own decision or someone else's. Then ask yourself, will you be doing these exact same things for the next 5 years? Will you be the same person doing the same thing that you are doing right now for the rest of your life? The point I am trying to make here is that everything that happens in your life is a result of your own decisions. Even if someone else made those decisions for you, it's still your life at the end of the day. Your decisions determine your life, your salary, the clothes you wear, the car you drive, and the place you live. Your life is a result of your choices. So if you make normal traditional choices, you will have a normal traditional job, a normal traditional salary, and the life that comes with it. On the other hand, if you choose a non-traditional path, you will live a non-traditional life with the associated salary and benefits. That brings us to the second secret. Understanding the power of your choices. Choose a non-traditional path. Make the right choices to do the right thing for you. For example, if you had chosen to invest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency long ago when it was just starting, you could have made millions by now. But if you were to invest in it now, you would likely lose money. So understand the power of your choices and choose something non-traditional. Now that you know the traditional path is not for you if you want to avoid a normal life, and that your choices determine your destiny, let's move on to the next section. Section 3. The power of the internet. Different industries experience change differently, and taking the non-traditional path means finding fast-paced industries and jumping right into them, even if you don't know how to do it. Why? because money loves speed. The faster you learn new skills, the more money you will make. The only industry that has harnessed the power of speed is the internet. It is the industry where money is flowing rapidly. It's the only industry that moves at lightning speed, offering unparalleled opportunities for financial growth. And that's the secret number 3. The internet. Think about it. Those young internet millionaires who went from broke to becoming millionaires in just 2 to 3 years, they all did it with one single thing: the internet. So if you want to be successful in today's world, your only option is the internet. It is the fastest industry where you can make 10 years worth of money in a single year. To take advantage of the internet, you need to tap into what the world is talking about right now, which is artificial intelligence. Section 4. The importance of AI skills. Secret number 4 is to learn AI skills. The internet industry is evolving rapidly, and if you want to compete and fit in, you must learn how to use AI. Don't be left behind as AI reshapes the world. Embrace it, learn it, and use it to your advantage. Here's an example. Just a couple years ago, any sci-fi movie that talked about AI, we used to think that this could only happen in movies. Well, do you see now? Is AI in the movies only? Everybody is talking about it, right? Movies talked about how AI will take over their jobs, and what is AI doing right now? Humans working in a factory are now replaced by the machines. Illustrators, artists, jobs related to the creative industry are replaced by AI. Do you still think it is only in movies? Think about it. If you don't learn how to leverage AI, AI will learn how to replace you. Don't let that happen. Embrace AI in your work, and even better, learn how to make money online using AI. This is where the extraordinary lies, the intersection of your skills and the power of AI. And I teach exactly how to do it on this channel. Don't miss out on opportunities like you always do. Take action now. Subscribe now. Today, the internet offers more tools, information, and opportunities than ever before. This leads us to the bonus tip that I promised you earlier. Choose what encourages your strengths, not your weaknesses. Making money online is not limited to one single way. There are numerous options. Focus on your strengths and choose a path that aligns with your expertise. For example, if you choose to be an online coaching expert in a certain topic, then you will do it easily because you are an expert in that particular topic. But if you choose something else of what you do not have any knowledge about, then it won't work. And the worst thing that could happen is you might lose confidence too. So choose what aligns with your strengths, not your weaknesses. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information valuable. If you want to know how you can make use of AI to make money online, check out this video in which I discuss the easiest way to make money online. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Keep moving forward.